Hi, it's Michelle Einstein, song Birdsong, Quora site, Twin Flame Evolution, posted by Sharon Ann, Reiki Master and Lightworker. Inner Power, July 13, 2022. The universe is saying to you today, you haven't messed anything up. You haven't taken the wrong path. You haven't sabotaged your destiny. At times like these, where your soul feels tired, gratitude is the best antidote to turn to when your heart feels lost. Faith is how you'll find your way back. You're being prepared for something grand. That's why your soul has been put through one test after another. Raise your head to the sky and thank the universe, yourself, for the blessing that's coming. Your time in the dark is ending. A new chapter filled with light, love, and abundance is about to begin. Type 11:11 if you believe. Inner Power, reposted from @DollyAjami. It is Twin Flame Evolution, posted by Sharon Ann. Anyone left their marriage without knowing if they will ever be with their twin flame? I left mine, and now I'm this unknown void. I'm in this unknown void where I don't know if I'll ever be united with my twin flame. He's in a partnership with 2 kids. It is really important that you left your marriage for yourself and not because you have expectation that your twin will return. I have a friend who is a twin who decided to leave his wife, and then he professed his love for his twin. She rejected him. 2 weeks later, he went back to his wife. He wasn't trusting the process. He wasn't moving with true loving intent for himself. He was hoping to jump from one relationship to the other, but the reality is you're here to heal. He have to heal. Apple Books, author of At Twin Flames, 2018 to the present. What is the attraction level really like for twin flames, and is it always two-sided? It is magnetic, not only in the physical way, but a soul-to-soul union. It feels like you crave to merge with each other in every possible way. It is not just about the physical attributes per se. It is a spiritual union. My twin flame, Josh Groban, spirit, would sneak into my room and drug me, a human in the spirit and physical form, a human body, then merge, penetrate me with his penis, every night. It also feels like you have the locks to their keys, and your twin flame has the keys to your locks. When you meet a twin flame, you are reminded of the void that you have already felt before the encounter. You wonder to yourself how you manage to live with the emptiness, living life without knowing of him, other. The presence of this one person in your life sums up all the reasons for the previous heartbreak from past relationships. It also makes you appreciate all the past love lessons. You understand why it did not work out with anyone else before. After you separate from a twin flame, you don't care if you end up with anyone else. You are not in a rush to have a union with anyone else. You feel unhurried to entangle your energy by entering new relationships. Even though sometimes you feel like you are losing your twin flame, especially if they are running, deep down you feel like a winner in the game of love, because you finally understand what loving someone unconditionally means. You know what loving with an open heart is all about. Your twin flame heals you. You feel a new light shining on the darkest parts of your soul. You feel like you're a winner. Suddenly all your senses are switched on. Food tastes better. The air is fresher. The flowers smell merrier. A twin flame encounter breathes fresh air into your lungs. You feel free of your worries. You feel optimistic. You feel empowered to achieve your wildest dreams. I hope that this helps you. Stay blessed. Twin Flame Evolution, posted by Sharon Ann. I felt the need to share this. Please be kind to yourself. You are all warriors. Dear men, remember how beautiful, smooth, and sculpted her body was at the beginning of your marriage? She is still the same beautiful woman with the same spirit that you have always loved. The difference is that she gave your children life. The price for that was the loss of the body she once had. Do not complain about your wife because her fat increased, and do not think that she likes it. A mother's affection makes her turn a blind eye to all of that, and her only concern is her children and your happiness. Remember that this tummy was once the warm home who hugged your children for 9 months with all their pain, fatigue, and weight to seal them until childbirth. 1,000 hearts to all the mothers. Questions for you. Michelle Birdsong. Ask in Twin Flame Evolution. How are you feeling about your twin flame situation right now? Michelle Birdsong, how are you feeling about your twin flame situation right now? I am feeling content, awed, hopeful, amazed at his power to communicate in letters, in songs to me, and at the power of a subtle spirit, our subtle soul, to share love, the most satisfying, fulfilling, strongest force in existence. In my head, calming, delighting my heart, is his song, You're Still You, Me, Michelle Birdsong, by Twin Flame, Josh Groban. Through the darkness, I can see your light, and you will always shine, and I can feel your heart in mine. Your face I've memorized, I idolize just you. I look up to everything you are. In my eyes, you do no wrong. I've loved you for so long, and after all is said and done, you're still you. After all, you're still you. You walk past me. I can feel your pain. Time changes everything. One truth always stays the same. You're still you. After all, you're still you. Wow, this is deep. Michelle Birdsong Einstein. I look up to everything you are. In my eyes, you do no wrong. And I believe in you, although you never asked me to. I will remember you and what life put you through. And in this cruel and lonely world, I found one love. You're still you. After all, you're still you. Sung by Josh Groban, Twin Flame, Michelle Einstein, Birdsong, written by Ennio Morricone and Linda Thompson. I hope that answers your question. Thank you for watching this video. I'm ending it now.